the 75 years back before the independence struggle that was done by B.R. Ambedkar Rao या लाला लाजपत राव या जितने भी फ्रीडम फाइटर्स हमारे लड़े थे उस वक्त, वो ये हिंदुस्तान के लिए लड़ रहे थे जहाँ पर इक्वालिटी हो, लिबर्टी हो, फ्रीडम हो, on the basis of principles where India was built upon a democratic state, a republic state, a secular state and a socialist state. And I request, and we are here gathered today proving this, that now 75 years later we will fight again to save that constitution. जहाँ बर्बारियत हो रही है, inequality हो रहा है, आर्टिकल 15 हो या आर्टिकल 16 हो या आर्टिकल 14 हो, be it any law, they're just breaking the law, they're just violating every article mentioned in the constitution that they fought way back before. मोदी गवर्नमेंट और मोदी जी ने जब कहा था बड़ी शान से अपनी स्पीच में, अगस्त 1 को मुस्लिम वुमेन्स डे डिक्लेयर किया था, कहा था कि वुमेन को फ्रीडम मिलेगा, सिक्योरिटी मिलेगा, सेफ्टी मिलेगा. Is this what he is doing as so-called freedom and security that is creating? I think when he made the more request, when he brought India into power from his BJP government, they said make in India. It was not make in India. Remember this? It was rape in India. जो हिंदुस्तान का नाम दिया गया है, आज वो सारे आलम, the whole world wide it is being termed as रेपिस्तान. अरे शर्म आनी नहीं चाहिए आपको. आपने जब बेटी बचाओ कहा था, they were literally saving नूरपुर शर्मा, who was dishumiliating the whole world fame outside. And not so just this, the government has targeted the minority community at large, be it Christians, Dalits, anyone who is standing in against them, they have been tortured for them. Zubair was put under behind bar just because he rose voice, just because he said something was truth. Not only him, there are many journalists, when they went on to say the truth, they jailed them. Is this what Article 19 guarantees us? I don't think so. Look, I just want to make this clear for the Modi government. जो आप नया भारत विश्व गुरु बनाना चाहते हैं ना, वो कभी नहीं होगा. Because China can be a communist country, Russia can be a socialist country, but India will now become a Hindu country because India was built upon secular lines and it will stay on those secular lines. See, me being an advocate, I'm actually practicing and I'm learning advocacy now. मैं जो कहना चाहती हूँ कि law के हिसाब से जो सब चीज़ चल रहा है, it is not what is being going on. हर law is being broken off, and the government, Gujarat government that passed their emission policy, it was based on the 1992 policy. Let me remind you, after that CRPC has amended, Constitution has been amended, the jail laws have been amended. Why not following those principles? बाकी के सारे laws को follow नहीं करते, इस बात पे आप follow कर रहे हैं क्या? और पिछले की government, Gujarat government, everybody knows Modi has got the clean chit right from Supreme Government. Again, that was drawn back by the Zakia Jafri case. That was also an injustice that took place. It's not only Bilkis who's suffering now. I hope the Supreme Court that has taken the petitions filed over there, I hope they take it. But I don't think this is guaranteed that government is going to give freedom for the minorities, or they are going to secular those people's power. But यहाँ पर जो लोग जमा होंगे, यहाँ पर जो सिग्नेचर्स लिए गए थे, वो आवाज़ वहाँ तक पहुँचेगी एंड सुप्रीम कोर्ट का दर पर हम खटखटाएंगे और ये मानना चाहते हैं कि हम ये बोलना भी चाहते हैं कि उनकी आवाज़ सुनकर एटलीस्ट उस बिना पर वो इंसाफ दी जाए.